Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a Scout 277 Dorado. Love the color combination on this boat. Full hull shark gray with a Scout white accent stripe. We have the cream colored Scout white on the top side. Sea deck along the transom here with a reboarding ladder on the starboard side of the swim platform. Full walk-through transom. This boat is powered by twin V6 Mercuries, 225 horsepower apiece. A lot of torque with these V6 Mercs. Hardtop is part of the superstructure on this boat, so it comes standard. And now let's make our way inside. So starting off in the bow on the 277 Dorado, incredibly comfortable seating area. You also notice this is the cayenne colored upholstery, really sharp and striking. Very deep bow, so everybody's going to still feel very safe and secure up here. Nice tall backrest, armrests that come down on either side. We also have finished out and drained storage, so you can use these as coolers if you'd like, in addition to a storage locker in the floor. That's also where your teak bow table is stored. That gets mounted right here. JL audio speakers up front. Powder-coated grab rails in that Scout white, in that cream color. We have controls for our windlass on the foredeck in addition to what you have back at the helm. Through the stem windlass anchor with a reboarding ladder, which is really convenient. We have rod holder, cup holder combo receivers. And this boat is already equipped with the bow shade kits. We've got some stainless steel eyelets underneath the hardtop. Shade connects to some poles. Poles connect to the canvas, and they drop right into these receivers right here. Recessed cleats as well. We have cup holders and charging ports on both sides. You can close off this windshield and close this block-off door. Really nice storage area beneath the starboard console, just forward of the helm. You've also got your reboarding ladder, another reboarding ladder on board, in addition to what you have at the transom. So this goes into where the dive door area is. Little hidden storage compartment here. And really nice design as far as all your battery switches go. But plenty of floor space too. Everything's finished and polished, easy to keep clean. Not going to clutter up the area. We've got our head in here, which has a lot of our canvas currently stowed in here, but a good depiction of this head area, which includes a porcelain toilet and a sink, is in the photos. More storage in the floor between the two consoles. We have a connection point for a battery charger, along with a washdown. We have a cover for the dash area. Nice sized Garmin touchscreen unit. Lockable glove box with charging ports for your devices. Nice stainless steel steering wheel. That's on a tilt base and has a steering knob. That's all standard. Digital throttle and shift with those V6 225 horsepower Mercuries. Really comfortable help seating arrangement here also. Got a nice angled footrest, so whether you're using this as a leaning post, this is a very comfortable position here. You've got good visibility, or you want a more traditional seating position. Got an armrest that comes down, and I've got a nice access to all of my controls. I don't feel like anything's hard to get to. VHF radio, subwoofer, some JL audio, and we have an induction charging, wireless charging base here for your phone. Coming around to the port side, a few different arrangements here or configurations. We can create opposing seating in the cockpit, which is nice if we want to do some lunch or some cocktails. We'll go on a little cocktail cruise with this Corian top table. But I can also bring this seat back to a more traditional position, and I can flip this forward. So now I've got traditional forward-facing observer seat that's double wide, so there's plenty of space for two. Another wireless phone charger here. I have a couple of USB ports here and a little recessed area with non-skid, so I can charge multiple devices, cup holders, little storage net here, and I'm within arm's reach of a stainless steel grab rail to get in any rougher water. Behind the helm, we have some really nice storage drawers, big, solid, thick, heavy-duty hardware. Corian countertop here for our wet bar. So I have a freshwater sink, little cutting board, trash receptacle. That's nice and hidden. And then plenty of counter space if you want to do a charcuterie board or just have a nice spread for some lunch. We have cutlery or tackle storage here. We have a Yeti 35 on a slide-out track. Tucks away nice and clean and easy. If you want to fish this boat, you got plenty of space here in the cockpit. Undergunnel rod storage on the starboard side. As always, great for deck brushes and boat hooks as well. Fish boxes in the floor that are pump-out fish boxes. Also make for great coolers. You want to throw a bunch of ice in there for a big party. Swing in dock door to the port side. You can see these are the receivers for that ladder that we saw that was stowed inside the starboard console. Live well on the port corner. Nice heavy-duty fiberglass lid. Also makes for another great cooler or a trash can. Recessed cleats, rod holders, and fender pros, which are really convenient, especially on a large dual console like this. And we've also got an extra set of fender pros midship as well, so 4 total on board, 2 on each side. Stern seat is stowed away here. Easily deploys with that stainless steel grab rail. Nice comfortable backrest, easy seating for 2. Big heavy-duty stainless steel ski pole here. And then easy access to the cockpit with this dedicated walkway with a closable door and full walk-through transom. You had freshwater sprayer up front, raw water connection sprayer is at the back, and this boat also has a reverso flushing kit. So single attachment with one hose will flush both engines. Nice bilge area with a heavy-duty 5-gallon bucket and a stern anchor with mounts already on board. So you've already got everything you need to go straight to the beach. And that is the walkthrough of our Scout 277 Dorado. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We are just off Daniel Island, but before I go, last thing, how could I forget the Sure Shade off the back of this boat? So you have a manual shade that comes off the back. Great cockpit area on the 277 Dorado that you can easily have shaded on a hot, sunny day. Again, 843-747-1889 is our number. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at any time, and we'll see you on the water. Thanks for watching.